Each day in a week, I will be sharing a unique oats recipe that is not only tasty but also perfect for weight loss and a healthy lifestyle. Plan your week with these 7 unique breakfasts and stay healthy. Let's start. For day 1, let's make blueberry oat smoothie. Take a mixing jar. Add 1/3 cup of oats. Add half cup of milk. Add 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Add 5 almonds. Add dates into it. Add some fresh blueberries. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Grind it until smooth creamy texture. Top it with berries of your choice. Healthy blueberry oat smoothie is ready. Try it and comment the taste. For day 2, let's make healthy banana chocolate oat smoothie. Take a jar. Add 1 banana. Add 1/3 cup of oats. Add dates pieces. Add half cup of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Grind all the ingredients until smooth texture. Chocolate banana oat smoothie is ready. Top with some banana pieces and cocoa powder. That's all for day 2 oats recipe. Now let's move to day 3 oats recipe. For day 3, let's make simple overnight oats breakfast with fresh curd and some fruits on topping. Take a glass jar. Add half cup of oats. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. 2/3 cup of milk. Mix it and refrigerate for overnight or for 2 hours. In morning, take the jar from the fridge. Add fresh curd as a layer. Add fruits of your choice as a layer. This is refreshing and probiotic-rich breakfast which keeps you full for hours. This is for day 3 and let's start day 4 breakfast. I'm preparing simple strawberry oat smoothie for day 4. Take a jar. Add 1/3 cup of oats. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Add 2 dates pieces. Add half cup of strawberry pieces. Add half cup of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Grind all the ingredients until smoothie. Add some strawberry pieces on topping. Enjoy this simple strawberry oat smoothie. Now let's go for day 5 recipe. For day 5, let's make simple chocolate overnight oats recipe. Take a small bowl. Add 1/3 cup of oats. Add 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. Add 1 tablespoon jaggery powder. Add half cup of milk. Mix all the ingredients and refrigerate it for 2 hours or overnight. Next day morning, take the bowl out from the fridge and add dry fruits of your choice as a layer. Enjoy this simple chocolate overnight oats recipe. That's a simple day 5 simple oats recipe. Now let's move to day 6. For day 6, let's make Cranberry Overnight Oats. Take 1 jar. Add half cup of oats. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 2/3 cup of milk. Mix it and refrigerate for overnight or for 2 hours. Take half cup of fresh cranberries. Crush them for extra flavor. Take the jar from the fridge. Add fresh curd as a layer. Add crushed cranberries as another layer. Top with some chia seeds and some fresh cranberries. Yummy Cranberry Overnight Oats recipe is ready. Now let's move to day 7. Up to now we have prepared 6 different oats recipes. For day 7, it's a special Sunday Masala Oats recipe. Take 1 pan and pour oil into it. Add mirchi slices. Let's fry for 2 minutes. Add onion pieces. I have taken 1 medium-sized onion here. Add some curry leaves. Fry for 5 minutes. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add half tablespoon salt. Fry for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry for 2 minutes. Add veggies of your choice. I have added potato, carrot and capsicum. Fry for 2 minutes. Close the lid and let the veggies cook for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes softer. Veggies were nicely cooked. Now add 1 tomato slices and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 3 cups of water. Here I am taking 1 cup of oats, so I am adding 3 cups of water to it. Let's water get boil. While water is boiling, add 1 cup of oats into it. Mix completely and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, oats will absorb all the masala flavor. Sunday special masala oats is ready. Garnish with coriander and serve it. Yummy masala oats is ready. Everyone want to prepare something special on Sunday. If you want to eat something different, spicy and healthy recipe, just try this masala oats recipe. That's all for a week healthy oats recipes. Try it out and comment the taste. Stay tuned for more healthy recipes. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.